Today's question is, when should I use SEO? And when is it time to use Google Ads? Well, first, SEO is search engine optimization. It's basically how Google and any other search engine understands your website to show it for specific searches when people do so on the search engines. Doing this for your business should be foundational. It should be always, forever. If you have a break in your SEO strategy, you stop writing blog posts, you create a new website, Google's going to see a change and assume you're either no longer in business, no longer interested in showing up for your customers. So SEO should be the long game, but really the forever game. SEO should always be happening and consistent. If you really stop doing these things for your business, Google will lose faith in you and start showing you in a lower rank. Organic traffic is the most valuable traffic. It's the most engaged, highest percentage of converters. It's really going to be important that you give the SEO strategy a lot of time and understanding that you need to do this for a long time so that Google builds trust for your business. Now, when is it time to use Google Ads? Well, if you're impatient and you want to be found at the top of Google and you don't want to write 100 blog posts or wait 6 months to be there, you can certainly jump on the Google Ads bandwagon. This is important because you can really start seeing results very quickly. However, there is a cost per click. Every time someone clicks on your ads, there is a cost associated with it. Now that cost ranges from, say, $1 up to $20. So you want to make sure that you're targeting ideal keywords you know your customers are searching. You have ad language that is engaging to get them to click on you. And when they land on your website, you give them all of the information they could ever need about your business. You want to cut down the amount of times they need to click to get the answers they're looking for based on what they searched. So there's a lot of different components of Google Ads that really could benefit your business in showing up for new customers when they're looking for you. Now, SEO should still be running in the background if you're using Google Ads, but you can learn from Google Ads on what keywords you should focus on in your organic strategy. These should be hand in hand if you are using both strategies. Now remember, Google Ads cost can be substantial for different industries, so making sure that your budget is adequate for what your goals are. If you need 10 new customers per month, how many new leads or potential leads do you need in order to get those customers? Figuring out your sales funnel and the ideal conversion rate from people going from your website to contacting you to getting a quote to signing the agreement. Those steps are important to know what people need and what else they need to actually complete the sale. Completing the sale will give you the return on investment on what you're doing for Google Ads. And if you are paying for any SEO strategies, you want to track that as well. Making sure the ROI is worth it is going to be the way that you choose what marketing strategy works for you. If you're small and just got started, Google Ads might not be within your budget, but SEO certainly can be. If you're interested in learning more about Google Ads or SEO, feel free to ask me any of your questions.